It's more than beginning to look like Advent. It's looking a lot like Advent. Welcome to day 21 of the Advent Calendar series. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and we are going to get into all of the magic. Now, I hope that you guys have been enjoying this Advent Calendar series because I've been having so much fun unboxing all the goodies. But now that we are accumulating all of the magic, we have nail art, y'all. So today, with whatever we unbox, we are going to do a demo and some beautiful nail art. So let's get into day 21 and all the magic it has in store. First off, before we see what stunning color the Advent has in store, how is your morning going? How are your holiday preparations? And just how are you? I am hoping that you're having such a beautiful day so far, and that this holiday season continues to spoil you and treat you like the king or queen you are. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. We have another limited edition baddie, y'all. And this is called Winter Solstice. Now, whoever has come up with these names for the calendar this year, first of all, it goes on with the complete theme that you've been doing throughout the year of the mystic and wonder of tarot and the fate of your nails. And all that Madame Glam has had in store has been so magical. But I can't get over, this is definitely the cherry on top of the sundae, the Madame Glam sundae, of all the goodies that they have unveiled this year, with all of the house ofs, the mystical enchantments. Now, this calendar has blown everything out of the water. So I love that they've chosen this winter solstice, which is like an off-white, almost a gray. And at first, it just looks like a beautiful, white out snow color. And I'm going to show you in the demo today, when I'm using the actual white gel paint, that you're going to be able to see the gray tones in this. It is out of control. So first of all, the pictorial we're following today is by acryl_art_nails. I found this on Pinterest, and I have really wanted to do peppermint nails so bad. So I thought under this gorgeous off-white gray background, the peppermint swirl would pop. And recently I went to go see Wonka. Oh my gosh. Now I am dreaming of all of the peppermint swirls and the chocolate and just all of the tasty candy magic. So we had to break out this peppermint swirl today. All the goodies that I use are from the calendar and also from collections of past, collections of old. It's like the ghosts of Christmas nails past are showing some of the goodies. So we are also using the white gel paint today, the black gel paint. Yours Sublime is the gorgeous green. We're also using Day 11's green, the liner. And we cannot forget, you can't have a peppermint without a stunning red. The red I'll be using today is from the Perfect collection. It is the Perfect Red. Also, we're going to be using tinsel from the brand new House of Reflection. And if you weren't able to get colors from the House of Reflections, have no fear, because my giveaway video is coming up this week, and you can win 3 gorgeous colors from that collection: a base coat, a top coat, and a fancy dancy mini lamp. They sent the gold bar mini lamp for the giveaway, y'all. So this 1K giveaway is in gold, baby. And I just thought how darling. I'm going to be wrapping it and doing a handwritten note in there. And I'm just so excited to give back and just to be able to celebrate with y'all, because I'm just so excited. This year has brought so much magic, and that would not be possible without you, my beautiful nail family. So I know I've teased a bit throughout this week about the giveaway, but the package arrived today, so I'm going to be doing a look with the advent calendar And in that video, in the title, it's gonna say giveaway and giveaway details, and that's where you're gonna be able to enter for a chance to win some Madam Glam goodies. But I can't get over how darling this peppermint is turning out. She is oh so pretty. And this nail would not be made possible without the goodies from the calendar. I cannot get over how precise that green liner is. And I am madly in love with this winter solstice. I love that it is an off-white gray. It truly makes everything pop in this design. And this is just getting me so excited for all the nail art magic that is to come. We have basically done the brunt of the unboxings, so now it's just time to get into all of the holiday art. Oh, this Advent series, like, I am getting very emotional, but it is such a huge love project, and I can't thank you guys enough for coming in day after day, leaving the sweetest comments and support. It's just, it would not be a proper, reflections, house of reflections. We're using that today. And it wouldn't be a proper reflection without, shining a huge light on you. Yes, you watching right now. You are a huge part of the love and success on this channel and just the joy. So thank you so very much. And I cannot wait to see what 2024 has in store. But we're not going to speed it up too much, because we still have days of Advent, y'all. Oh, I am shook. I'm really excited for day 25. They've never spoiled us this way. There is a large gift in there, and your girl wants to see what's up. But we cannot unbox Christmas Day until we go through the other days of Advent. So tomorrow is day 22. And I'm feeling another full-size product coming along. They always try to throw in some extra goodies towards the end to just let you know how special you are. And that's why I love this calendar so much, because it is like a bow wrapped up of love. There's just so many goodies, and as you see, you can truly let your heart pour out with these quality products, and you're just left with the most darling finished product. Like, are you kidding? How stinking adorable is that? I really hope you've loved today's unboxing and the demo with the gorgeous winter solstice and the other Madam Glam goodies that we used today. From my home to yours, I hope that you are having the most magical holiday season. And no matter what, this season is about love and about giving. And that's not just a monetary gift. You can give so much just by being there for a loved one. I hope that your holidays are oh so magical, and I cannot wait to see you tomorrow for day 22 of this 2023 Advent calendar. Oh my gosh, there's only a couple days left, and I know Madam Glam is going to jam-pack all of the magic inside these last few days. So I cannot wait to see you there tomorrow, and I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. I filled it with so much love. Mwah. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow.